we know that advanced manufacturing is one of the growing in demand areas in the state of Ohio, and we're not producing enough graduates to fill those jobs. So here in this center, what we have is kind of a one-stop shop for advanced manufacturing and for jobs for people here in Ohio. So with Butler Tech and their engineering program, Miami University and our engineering technology program, and Ohio Means Jobs, we have everybody working together to collaborate to make sure that we are meeting those workforce demands.
And that's really what we're creating here, is a pipeline for students, for adult learners, the opportunity just to improve themselves in advanced manufacturing, and we couldn't do it without our business partners, the hands-on learning that they bring.
We're very excited about being able to provide those opportunities, and people come right on board with us when they hear about it. Makino, for example, we had a ribbon cutting earlier today for their donation of over $800,000 worth of equipment, so that their students can actually work on the equipment that Makino is going to need them to be able to work on when they hire them.
The turnout is overwhelming. The fact that so many people understand the importance of what we're trying to do here, you know, what this means for economic development of Butler County, the city of Hamilton, the Southwest Ohio region, it's overwhelming.
We want to serve the interests of the state as well, but yes, it's all starting here in Butler County, and that's really exciting.